What is the difference between RGB and CMYK? In which cases should I use RGB and in which cases should I use CMYK? In this video, I'm going to explain to you the difference between RGB and CMYK and how to choose RGB and how to choose CMYK. But before going to the explanation, if you didn't subscribe me till now, do it right now. And hit the bell so you will be tuned up my next videos. Also, if you have any question, ask me in the comments and give me the motivation with your like. Okay, let's go to the explanation. In digital work, there are two color spectrums, RGB and CMYK. The nature of the use of RGB is to create the images that are finally displayed on monitor, television, mobile, and tablets. The RGB color is a combination of red, green, blue. And the combination of these three colors give me the white color. RGB includes a wide range of colors, so you can create the 4K quality colors. And also, if you use RGB for printing work, the cost of the printing will be greatly high. So be careful of using your color RGB and CMYK. The next color spectrum is CMYK and is a combination of the purple, yellow, and turquoise blue. And the combination of these three colors is black. CMYK is used for printing work and also is more limited than RGB. If you save your CMYK color image as digital file, it will show you the color so loud and bold because the tablet is not meant to show the CMYK color. But the printing and the print work will show you the final and exactly color that you use. You can choose your color from several parts. The first part I wanted to explain to you is the toolbar here. Here you can see these two small colored squares. The first one is foreground color and is used for brushes, and the second one is background color and is used for removing, erasing, and coloring on the work. Okay, if I click on foreground color, I can have my box as color picker. Here in front of the color picker, it is written foreground color and is assuring me that in which section I am in. Here in this box, I can choose whatever color I want, and it will show me the desired color. As you can see, there is two signs. The first one is the warning sign and tell me that the color I choose is RGB and is not from CMYK range. In another word, is have no use for printing. If I clicking on this, it will show me the closest color in CMYK range. There is another one here. I will explain it after this. If I click on Ctrl Shift Y, some of the palette will be lost. This gray part is mean that this part are RGB and is not CMYK. If I click on Ctrl Shift Y keys again, and the gray part will disappear and it will get back to the first state. This part, this cube, means for tell me that the color I choose is not for the web color standard, and if I click on it, it will give me the closest color that is for the web design. I mean the standard color. This part is for choosing your color manually. For example, your customers gave you the order to choose your color and use the colors with these codes. If they give you the total codes, you can put them here. But if they give you the RGB or CMYK code, you have to put them here. The RGB codes are between 0 and 255. If I put all of them to 0, the final color is black, and if I put them all of them to 255, the final color is white. I have the same white color as the percentage, and if I put all of them in 0, I have the white color. Another part that you can choose your color is here. In swatches, in this part, you have the history of your colors. And in this part, you have the colors that the Photoshop gave you. Another part is this. Here is another color picker you have, and you can choose whatever color you want. And in the history, you can see the color I choose now. For example, if I go here, here is in my history colors. Another part that you can choose your color is eyedropper tools. The shortcut for eyedropper tool is I, and is used for choosing the desired color on the screen. For example, if I put the eyedropper tool here you can see I have red. Now I will choose brush, and now you can see the red. If I choose another time eyedropper, now purple, brush, and you can see here. RGB tool have amazing uses that I will explain it in the future, so don't worry, it will be very useful. I almost explained everything about the colors, RGB, CMYK, the range and the difference and how to use them. But before finishing, I want you, if you didn't subscribe me till now, do it right now. And if you have any question, ask me in the comments and give me motivation with your like. And thank you for watching this video till the end. See you in my next video.